Today we're going to make a delicious tomato salad that goes with anything. So we're going to use my cherry tomatoes. And from my little farm, I love cherry tomatoes. We actually grow these in a wine barrel. I love the smell of arugula, don't you? So come along into my kitchen and let's make a really nice tomato salad. Ooh, doesn't that look beautiful? I mean, you could take it to a party. You could have it for anything, Christmas, New Year's, whatever you like. You know, you can make it with cherry tomatoes or beefsteak tomatoes or any kind of tomatoes that you like. It's outrageous. So bring it to a party and have some fun. Hi and welcome again to Annie's Angle and Annie's Kitchen. Today we're going to make a delicious tomato salad that goes with anything. Have you made tomato salad before? Well, you're going to love this, so grab a cup of coffee and let's make tomato salad. My organic beefsteaks aren't ripe yet, so we're going to use my cherry tomatoes. And from my little farm, I love cherry tomatoes. We actually grow these in a wine barrel. Believe it or not, I have 3 wine barrels and they're full of cherry tomatoes. Organic, this is my own arugula. I'm going to chop this up. I love the smell of arugula, don't you? Red onion, I love red onion in salad. It just makes it really, really delicious. And my basil, I haven't got much basil left because I've been using basil like crazy. So this is all I got left from my little, I grow them in little pots. And today we might use feta cheese. I got this block feta cheese from Whole Foods. And olive oil and vinegar. But you can use a salad dressing if you like. The choice is yours. So come along into my kitchen and let's make a really nice tomato salad. Ooh. So I already cut a lot of my tomatoes in half. And I'm just going to do a few more. Just cut them nicely in half, or whichever way you like them. Some people even like them whole. I like them cut in half because I like to get the middle. So that's what we're going to do. And then we're going to put my arugula in there, my chopped arugula, and my basil. And then we're going to put some feta cheese all around. And it's whatever you like. If you like more feta cheese, you might want that. And of course my red onions, which I like cut very thin. As thin as I can make them, that's how I like them. And my red onions in there. And of course my vinegar. Just nice. Or you can use whatever salad dressing you like. I like oil and vinegar in this. And then I'm going to mix this all around. Doesn't that look beautiful? I mean, you could take it to a party. You could have it for anything, Christmas, New Year's, whatever you like. It's a versatile, delicious salad. So enjoy this salad and we're going to take a taste in 1 minute. And I'll let you know how it is. So we're going to try this tomato salad. Did you make yours? I mean, it's such a versatile salad. You know, you can make it with cherry tomatoes or beefsteak tomatoes or any kind of tomatoes that you like. Or Roma tomatoes. But today, for my garden, I just happen to have the cherry tomatoes. So let's take a taste. Come and take a taste with me. It's outrageous. I mean, you could taste the arugula, the red onion, the feta cheese. Now you can have this for today, put it in the refrigerator, or tomorrow. It will last a couple of days. And you have such a versatile, delicious salad that goes with anything. So, like this video, subscribe to my channel. And for those of you who have subscribed to my channel, I thank you so much, very much for that. I appreciate it. So, really, come again to Annie's Angle. We'll be cooking up a storm. Bye for now.